Hello YouTube, and thank you for visiting my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Geenie DOORPEEK 1080p video doorbell. This was purchased at Harbor Freight for the price of $84.99. According to the website, it says that the DOORPEEK smart Wi-Fi doorbell camera provides 24/7 live stream accessibility from anywhere at any time from your smartphone, compatible with most Apple iOS and Android devices. $84.99. So the overview of the product is that the Geenie DOORPEEK smart Wi-Fi doorbell camera lets you quickly see who's at the door from anywhere at any time. This doorbell camera features simple and easy installation with no subscription fees, connects to your home Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control and remotely access real-time and store footage directly from your smartphone. The built-in mic and speakerphone allows you to interact or quietly listen from any location. HD night vision delivers a clear view day or night, and its delicate motion sensors send push notifications to your smartphone whenever motion is detected. Delivers HD video with a 130-degree wide-angle view package in durable weatherproofing housing. 24/7 live stream accessibility from anywhere at any time. Turn on the video camera anytime to see who's at your door without letting them see you. Receive alerts, accept the live video feed, and speak with visitors from your smartphone. Delicate motion sensors detects movement and delivers push-button notifications directly to your phone whenever there's activity. Built-in Wi-Fi works with most existing 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. No hub required. Not compatible with 5 GHz networks. Works with most Apple, iOS, and Android devices. Sets up easily. Simply download the Geenie app, mount, and connect. Okay, so let's take a look what's inside the box. We got the doorbell. There. And take this off here. Take this off there. And you got the mount that is attached to your door trim by two screws, mountain screws. This is set up for wired. This is not a wireless device. You have to connect it to your existing doorbell, or you can connect it to a 24-volt transformer, which you can purchase separately. It does not include an SD card. So what else does it have? It has a different mount in the box. Has a different mount in the box, I guess, for like if you have trim when you're outside your door, you can cut it out to the existing to make it fit. Comes with a, I guess this hooks right into your door chime if you have an existing doorbell. The timer itself, you can connect this piece to that. A couple of extra cables. Anchor bolts and screws. A 3M double-sided sticky. More screws to, actually has a security screw in there. This device here, the pen, this pen looking, is to reset the camera back to factory's settings. So you got a security tool to screw the security screw into the unit. And it looks like it has another component. But I'm not really sure what it does. It's a connector, so it probably plugs into an existing, you could probably plug into your existing doorbell, where it leads off and where you want the new one to start. So, all this was included for the price of $84.99. And I'm going to take a few moments and install this baby. And then in my next video, I'll get back to you and I'll show you all the nifty features that this camera has. Genie DOORPEEK Smart Wi-Fi Doorbell HD High Definition 380 or 1080p. Not a bad deal for $84.99. Harbor Freight. Catch you in the next video.